Here I have Samsung Soundbar Q950T, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a HDMI cable to this device. So to connect HDMI cable, you have to find HDMI connection cable slot, which is located here.
Mic off.
And here you can connect your HDMI. You actually have two HDMI ports. You can connect one here, connect the other one here, and that's how you connect HDMI cables here at this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.